my channel. We're making churros. So what you're gonna need is sugar and water and flour and butter. Okay, I need to get the flour. Oh, and a mixing tool. Whatever it's called. Or spatula. So guys, that's all what you're gonna need. So you need your stove on medium heat. So first you're going to add
Act like a grown up.
Water. Oh. So guys, sorry because something was out the door.
Yeah, it was
Someone
my dad.
was in the door.
It was my dad.
Yeah.
Oh, we made a little mess.
Yeah, that's okay. So we're gonna get the butter. We're going to use. You can use a lot, but
We're just using 2 tiny scoops. And we should wait until it melts.
You're gonna wait until it melts.
You said you add 2 small scoops.
Yeah, we're just adding a little bit like that.
It's heated up. And we have some meatballs. Mix it around.
Mix it around until it's a nice melted butter and sugar and water.
Cut it up.
I can't. This is rubber. It's turning tiny. I think it's...
Yep, that's
Okay.
melting. I'll go get something just in case if you need. So I'm gonna take this.
Oh, this.
Yeah.
Oh, it's melting. Let me see. Okay, it's gone.
It's gone. You can see it's gone. I put that there just in case if you need it. Oh no, the egg's almost falling.
Okay, now...
Don't let Humpty Dumpty fall.
Now you're gonna need some flour. All-purpose flour.
Not. Should you put what?
Yeah, I think so.
Is it time for the egg?
Cause the whisk
will scratch the pan.
Wait. We need some more flour. Oh, almost checked. Okay, we need some more.
You're not showing your face. You're not showing your face. So it's supposed to be
Wait,
smooth, right?
Yeah. So
It should
guys,
be chunky to smooth.
Yeah. We don't add the eggs yet, cause yeah, it's gonna make it worse. It's actually working.
That is how you make the
Dough.
I think you'll have to add like more eggs or something.
But you have to wait for 10 minutes.
Yeah. There's a charger here, you see? Just sitting down.
Oh my gosh, this is actually working.
I can't wait until we eat it.
Yeah, it's chunky a little bit. How does it turn even smooth? I think
It's getting smooth now.
make sure you smush the clumps up because you want it smooth.
Yeah. And when you get eggs, make sure it's clumpy to smooth. Right?
Yeah.
Because if it's not
Make
clumpy,
sure it's medium heat.
yeah, medium heat, or it will burn, right?
Yeah. Not too high because it will be really melty and liquidy.
Yeah, and your churros don't work.
Yeah, and it will burn.
Yeah, so this isn't wasn't the first time we cooked. We had a couple videos of cooking with our little sisters. We made, this is my little sister here. She knows how to cook already.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, she teaches
My
me.
hand is red. What, is it working?
Yeah.
It's actually working, guys.
Yeah, this is my first time making churros.
I'm actually,
Made churros when
in my video, lots of people loved it. So, my sister made it. I have to record since this is too heavy for her. Okay, should we get that out of the...
No, it's still sticking a bit.
Okay. Later we'll have to put in the sink. So wash.
I can't believe I'm making churros.
Yeah, that looks
She's helping me
Maybe.
out. She's helping me out just in case I get burnt.
Yeah. So I'll just sit down and show you the
Process. So guys, so you need to dry your dough in 10 minutes, and you need to put eggs, and you can put it in your piping bag. Okay. So. And guys, make sure your spatula there's nothing on it, so you can have more churros. Okay. So guys, I'm pulling it up until it's in the gap. So guys, I am cooking them now, and I got some of them in my bowl,